It's everything the Apple Watch 4 is not, for better and worse. Let's start with what's better.
Oh, yeah. Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, oh, yeah.
The Galaxy Watch looks and feels like a high-end wristwatch with a circular stainless steel case and a decorative bezel. It's both stylish and functional because like the previous Gear S3, the bezel rotates to cycle through its various on-screen menus. This is the most satisfying way to navigate a smartwatch. Your fingers won't cover up the watch's small, hard to accurately target touchscreen and the rotating bezel, an idea exclusive to Samsung's newer watches. The 1.3-inch Super AMOLED screen is bright and color-rich, as we have come to expect from Samsung's stellar display technology. It's easy to see everything even during an outdoor run, thanks to adaptive brightness settings. And its smart use of blacks, especially in the background, burns fewer pixels on the 320 by 320 resolution. The one downside is that the screen is slow to update when it's woken. The time and the steps show old figures for half a second. It's like you are literally waking the watch up from a nap and it's taking a moment to come to its senses. Two physical buttons adorn the Galaxy Watch, and while they are on the right side of the case, Samsung has wisely offset them from the usual center location, which means they are not prone to accident presses against your bent wrist as on other smartwatches. This is a well-engineered watch, at least during the day. The big difference between the Galaxy Watch and the Gear S3, besides an extra day of battery, is that it's more fitness focused thanks to additional sensors and a revamped Samsung Health app. The Galaxy Watch is now waterproof down to 50 meters, matching the Gear S3 Sport, and it can auto-detect 39 exercises, which is very helpful. The Galaxy Watch does inherit problems from previous Gear watches, however, and what's bad is almost all software related. Samsung's core app are polished, sure, but the Samsung App Store lacks critical third-party apps, notably Google Maps, Facebook, Messenger, and WhatsApp. The Bixby voice assistant is here, but it's not better than S voice at understanding us. And Samsung's Pay doesn't use magnetic secure transmission, despite the fact the Gear S3 did. The Galaxy Watch can be connected to a iOS as well as an Android device, but be warned that the third-party apps are lacking and its iOS support is limited if you are using an iPhone. This is best for Samsung fans. This can be a deal breaker for some.
Oh.